Welcome back to the MeasureSquare iPad tutorials. In this video, we will be going over how to draw multiple internal walls within a room without exiting the Draw Wall mode. First, tap on the room that you want to add the internal walls to. Select the eye icon, pick Resize, and select Draw Wall. The Draw Wall tool can be started at the center of the room or up against the wall. For this example, we will draw up against the wall. Using the same concept as the draw tool, you will drag your finger to the wall that you want to add the internal wall to. Once it's snapped to the wall, release your touch. Drag your finger out to the direction of the wall. With your disto laser, measure the wall to get the correct dimensions and then tap close at the bottom right of your page. Now you can start drawing the next internal wall in this room and by repeating the same steps. When you're done adding your internal walls, you can tap Done at the top left to exit the Draw Wall mode. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and more information for all MeasureSquare products.